Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you I have some swatches and a review. Well, swatches, try on, kind of a review on a little kit that my friend Anastasia Beverly Hills put out. It is the Holiday Lip Gloss Vault. This is a limited edition set. This is going to come with 10 full size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. This is still available on Anastasia Beverly Hills website, so if you didn't get one during Christmas, do not fret. That's why I decided to go ahead and bring it to you, because it is still available. It is $65. This is a $160 value. These lip glosses are usually $16 a piece. So you're basically getting them for drugstore prices at $6.50 each. Now, I myself am not the biggest fan of lip gloss per se, but I like more of kind of a glossy lip butter, like the NYX Intense Butter lip glosses, or even just their butter glosses. Those are still up here, like my top shelf of my favorite formulas of lip product ever. I feel like the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones perform identical to those. I really do. They even smell the same. They honestly do. This one is fun though, because it does contain some real glittery shades. You'll see as we get into it. And let me just tell you this, that glitter don't quit. It just don't quit. So let's go ahead and go through. I'll show you the swatches, throw in the try on as we go. Let's go. So the first shade we have up here is called Pearl. Pearl is described as a multi-dimensional sparkle in a soft opalescent pink base. Very much so. It's very much got that pinky kind of vibe to it. Really what I think of when I hear the word pearl. This does have the microfine glitter shimmer in it. I think this is beautiful. This to me I would use more so as a lip topper. Really all of the ones that contain this type of microfine glitter, they're more to me a lip topper rather than just a standalone gloss. But of course, you know, that one is up to you. You can wear it just as a standalone gloss if you so desire. This shade coming up next here we have is Undressed. This is like Nude Dreams. Oh, I love this shade so much. This one is described as a cafe au lait lacquer. Very much so. It's kind of just it's a very nudie shade, but it's so pretty. You pair this with a liner and it just, you know, it's just a fantabulous nude shade. Next one coming up is Alexandra. This fun shade here. This one is described as a multi-dimensional pink sparkle with golden base. Very much so. This is almost kind of like a rose gold, rose pinky shade, if you will. Kind of has that little bit of a coppery vibe to it. I think it's really pretty. I think this would be really pretty on top of like so many other types of lip colors. Again, it has a microfine glitter, so it's that multi-dimensional, almost gives it a duochrome shift, if you will. But very pretty. Next up, Nude Peach. Again, another beautiful opaque nude shade. This one is described as a soft peachy nude lacquer. Very much so. Super duper opaque, like right at first onset. Goes on amazingly. Such a pretty color. Again, I could wear this one alone, but I would still like to pair it with like more of a brown toned lip liner just to give it a little bit more dimension. But it's a really, really good color. Really love this one. Next up is Luna. Luna is described as a dazzling, multi-reflective gold sparkle. Very much so. It is very sparkly, very gold. I will have to say, of all of them, hardest one to get off, and I'll get more into that in just a little bit. Next up, for the purple lovers out there, we have Night Sky. Night Sky is described as a blue and purple sparkle in an iridescent black base. Yes, yes, and yes. This, I think, is such a pretty, pretty color. I would definitely, like, if you wore this on top of a black lipstick, oh my god, that would be amazing. Or even like a deep dark oxblood lipstick. I think that would be amazing. It's definitely a blue purple, but it definitely has that black base. I think this color is just gorgeous, to be honest. Next up, we have Saint Tropez. Saint Tropez is now what we're getting into is more of a metallic shade. This one is described as a metallic iridescent rose gold. I think this color is so stunning. This is such a pretty rose gold shade. It's very much got that pinky vibe. You definitely wear this one alone. This is more of a metallic, so it doesn't have the microfine glitter particles in it, but it's still really shiny and sparkly and pretty. I really, really do like this one. Next up here we have Sunset Strip. Sunset Strip is described as a sparkly coral. Very much so. It's got that orangey punch to it, very sparkly, but I will have to say, of all of the shades, this one is the weakest. And that's just in terms with actually showing up or anything like that. Next up here we have this beauty. This is called Citrine. Citrine is described as a multi-dimensional gold, pink, and soft green sparkle in a golden gloss base. Very much so. I can see that green vibe coming through this shade. It's very pretty though. I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous one. But you definitely see that green shift happening in there, but it makes it so interesting. And last but not least, we have the shade here, which is Sparkling Garnet. Sparkling Garnet is described as a metallic fuchsia with pink sparkle, and it very much is. This is a metallic-y shade. It does have more grit to it though than I would say that the shade here, Tropez, does. Tropez is just a sheer metallic. This shade here is a metallic, but it does have some sparkle pink glitter in it, so it's got that glittery texture to it, which we will speak on here very shortly. So that's all of the 10 shades swatched out and tried on. And if you haven't noticed in this video, I have zip on for lip color, and there is a reason why. The multi-dimensional glitter shades in this lip gloss kit do not play. Oh my gosh, they do not play. Now, I was going to tell you guys about this shade here, Luna, the hardest one to get off. Oh my gosh. These, when they stick on, they stick on. And they are so stuck to your lips that I literally, after each one of these multi-dimensional sparkling shades, had to use a lip scrub, and I've about worn out, to get it off. That was the only way to remove it, was to lip scrub it off. So my poor lips right now are in so much pain and they hurt so bad that I went ahead and I just threw on my agave lip mask from Bite, and we're just gonna let them marinate this for a little while and not put any other lipstick on top, because I'm pretty sure I took off about 4 layers of skin off of my lips trying all of these shades on for you guys. Probably my favorite part of this entire thing is the cream lip glosses. I think these are such an amazing lacquer lip gloss. They smell amazing, you know, like bakery goodness. Oh, and they go on so opaquely. And again, one dip in the tube is all you need, and you get full color on your lips. And like I said, they really, honestly, they remind me so much of the NYX Intense Butter Glosses and the Butter Glosses, that if I would say you are looking for a more affordable alternative to these, definitely get those. Those retail, I think, about $6.50 a piece. But if this set interests you and you wish to buy them, that's what you're basically paying for these, is $6.50 a piece. So you may want to get this entire set. It is a great value. This lip kit does contain, according to ABH's website, 4 brand new lip shades, 4 fan favorite shades from ABH's original assortment, and 2 previously limited edition shades now available for the very first time in a full size. The lacquer shades are supposed to give you more of that mirror-like finish. They definitely do. They're super duper shiny, super, super, super duper pretty, but at the same time have a really good stick to the lips, so that they do have a little bit of staying power to them. Not the most amazing staying power. This is a lip gloss again, guys, but they have got some pretty gosh darn good staying power for a lip gloss. These, of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills. They're cruelty-free and vegan, and they're not formulated with parabens or phthalates, and of course, they're gluten-free as well. Also, the box is so extra that they come in. It's this pretty sparkly packaging. Reminds me so much, and when I saw, of course, reminiscent of the Sultry Palette, which, side note, is available as well. So, and that's actually what I have on my eyes today. Yes, it was intentional. This is the Sultry Palette, one of the most iconic and amazing palettes that Anastasia Beverly Hills has ever put out. This was limited edition. So if you didn't get it, you didn't get it. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Apparently, according to their website, it does not say that it's limited edition anymore. So I don't know if it's now become a part of the permanent line. They'd be stupid if it wasn't, because again, amazing palette. So this has that same kind of like glittery, but not fall off glittery. You know, it's just that same type of glittery packaging, but very beautiful, very pretty. Nice thing if you have room to display something like this. Of course, if you don't and your collection is huge, it's not the most practical, but it is still pretty to kind of look at. Again, this is available on Anastasia Beverly Hills website. The retail price on this is $65. ABH also offers free U.S. shipping on all orders over $25. They also offer Afterpay. So if you're inclined to do that, it does break down to 4 payments of $16.25 a piece. Again, this is limited edition package, so once they're sold out, that's it. They won't bring it back. So if this is something that really interests you and maybe you've got some extra Christmas money that you got and you haven't decided how to spend it yet, I would recommend this if this is the kind of lip gloss kit that really gets you excited. It has all these glitters that are just beautiful and pretty and, you know, fun. And at $6.50 a piece, I mean, they're drugstore prices. It's a steal. It really is, for a really, really good formula. So that's what I have for you today. My review, demo, and swatches of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Holiday Lip Gloss Kit. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I think my lips are starting to feel a little bit better, so I'm sure in the next video I will have some lip color on. But my lips have pretty good color as it is, so you know, it's kind of like I'm wearing a lip gloss with the lip mask on top. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Reason